Terumot, Perek Gimel, Mishnah, Vav. Our Mishnah today is based on the idea that things have to be given in a certain order. Okay, first there's Bikkurim, and Bikkurim, as the Mishnah in Bikkurim, I'll just quote you the Mishnah from Perek Gimel, Mishnah Aleph. How do you give Bikkurim? A person goes into his field and sees a te'ina shebichra, eshkol shebikir, grapes, or te'ina, or figs, rimon shebikir. Okay, and koshua begemi, you tie on it, the string as we know, and you say, Hare elu bikurim. These are bikurim. So we see that bikurim are given when they're mechubar the karka, when the fruit is still connected to the ground, as opposed to truma. Truma can only be given once the fruit is harvested. So bikurim have to become before truma, and as we've learned before, truma comes before maaser rishon, and maaser rishon becomes before maaser sheni. But of course, what happens if you do it out of order? So the Mishnah says, we're going to learn, if you do it out of order, nonetheless, it's still considered designated, but you violated a law. Says the Mishnah, Hamaktim Truma leBikurim. If you gave Truma before Bikurim, Maaser Rishon leTruma, or if you gave Maaser Rishon before Truma. So, for example, you didn't take Bikurim, you didn't do the proper procedure, you forgot to take Bikurim, you just didn't do it. Or you took Maaser Rishon before you gave Terumah. Maaser Sheni the Rishon. Or you took Maaser Sheni before Maaser Rishon. Afa pishu over below ta'aseh. Even though you violated Isur lo ta'aseh, Masha asa asui. Whatever you did. I.e., you're not allowed to do it. But if you did do it, then that designation takes effect. You're not allowed to take off Terumah before you take off Bikurim. But if you took off Terumah, then whatever you took off is considered Terumah, etc., etc. Shnei Amar, as it says. Male'atcha b'dima'acha lo te'acher. I have to put this down. Male'atcha b'dima'acha lo te'acher. This is a pasuk in Shemot. Let's move this over a little bit so you can see it a little better. Here we are. It says the Torah. This is just in the middle of Shemot, Perek Chaf Bet. Okay? Elohim lo tekalel, nasi be'amcha lo te'or. You shouldn't curse God, or a ruler of your people. You shall not delay to offer the fullness of your harvest. So what does it mean? What is That's why we have the Bar Tanura. Now the Bar Tanura knows, it's very interesting. The language of the Mishnah seems a little bit out of order. It should really say, the Bar Tanura explains that's exactly what it means. This is what it means. Even though you violated a mitzvah lo taseh, nonetheless, whatever you have done is done. You're not allowed to take it out of order, but if you did take it out of order, it's still considered designated. How do we know? So the word mele'atcha is bikurim. Shemitmal'im bebikur. They are filled in bikur, in first fruitiness. I don't know, Mele'atcha refers to Bikurim. This is definitely a drasha of Chazal. V'dimacha is Truma, and the word is lo ta'acher. Ichur means you should not delay its designation, i.e., you shouldn't delay taking off Bikurim. If you took Truma first, and you delayed Bikurim. Similarly, if you took Maaser Rishon first, and you delayed Dimacha. And those are you're not allowed to be Me'acher, but if you did, Masha Asa Asui. That which you did is done, and is considered Terumah or Bikkurim or whatever you designate it. We'll stop here. If you have any comments or questions, arspolter@gmail.com, and we'll dedicate the learning to the memory of my father, of Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Have a good day.